Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Skydeck Chicago. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right down in the description of this video. Opening up that link is going to take you to this official platform for tickets right here from where we can get started. So what you can do is click check availability. Once you open up that, it's going to enable you to take a look at all the dates we can purchase the tickets for. So go ahead and select the date which suits you the most, let's say the 15th right here, and then you can select a time slot whichever you prefer. Let's say this one right here, and then you can get started selecting what kind of tickets you need. Let's say only one adult ticket for us, and then we can click next to go to the next page. It's going to show us similar experiences that if you're not interested in, you can just click no thanks to go to the personal details page. On the personal details page, we can get started filling out our personal info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. So make sure to fill it out all correctly, and once done, you can click next to go to the payment page. It's going to open up this new payment method menu from where we can get started taking a look at all payment methods that are available to us. So you're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card. And now it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started filling out our info. Once you provide your info and click the pay button, you're going to make the purchase. So once your tickets have been purchased successfully, they're going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So go ahead and open up the description right now, open up the link, and get started getting your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.